major processor of beef and other meat products. And we have a large amount of T-bone steak on hand. Okay, where'd my steak come from? Okay. I want to see your cow. Mine was distant thinking. Oh, he's good.
Some skinny legs.
Wow. Take it. Oh,
Yeah, mine would look way worse than that.
my goodness, that is a good
Looks
cow.
like another dog.
You gotta draw spots on it.
Yeah. Oh, look
There
at
we
that.
go.
Good spots. Yeah. Okay. All right. So poor cow went to where?
It went to the butcher.
Okay. So we're drawing the joint process of what happened here. So we got a cow who made his way over to the meat packing place. This is Lone Star Meat Packers.
Draw some tears like falling from his face.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Oh wow, that's gross.
There we go.
Okay, Lone Star Meat Packers. And so the company has cut this cow up, and right now they have all this T-bone steak on hand. So, where's my T-bone? I don't even know what T-bone looks like. Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. Okay. Justin, I'm gonna make you come to all my classes. Okay, and now we're trying to decide what to do with those T-bones. Okay, so we're at a split-off point, right? Okay? So everything that happened before that is
Sunk.
sunk. Okay, so now I'm just going forward. Okay, I can sell them just like they are. Okay, so that's one, actually your split off point, well, that's okay, you can leave it right there. I could sell it a T-bone, what I can do is just sell it just like it is, or I can cut it up into two pieces. I can make it into a filet mignon. Or a New York cut.
A New York cut?
So I guess that's just a skinny size.
It's just so entertaining.
Yeah,
This would actually, yeah.
yeah. Okay, good, that's good. Put an FM and an line on it so we don't get them mixed up. Okay, now we're gonna put some numbers up there so we can keep this straight.
Okay.
The T-bone steaks are sold as, if they are sold as initially cut, the company figures that a T-bone would yield the following profit. We would sell it for $2.25 per pound, less all the split costs, incurred up to the split off point, profit per pound. I don't care about that stuff. I just know that I could sell the T-bone for $2.25. You see where the T-bone is? The T-bone.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Was T-bone?
Yeah, there's an eraser right there. The T-bone could be sold for $2.25. All this $1.80 is what?
Sunk cost?
So it's irrelevant, don't get caught up in that. Okay? So as mentioned above, instead of being sold as initially cut, the T-bone steaks could be processed further into fillets or New York strips. Cutting one side of the steak provides the mignon, cutting on the other side, blah, 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 blah. One 16-ounce T-bone, this is going to be important, that T-bone weighs 16 ounces, which is a pound, right? And I'm selling it for $2.25 a pound.
Right.
Okay, everybody remember that. One 16-ounce T-bone steak cut this way would yield a 6-ounce filet mignon and an 8-ounce New York cut. Those 6 and 8 add up to.
Would be 14.
And I thought my New York, that other thing, the T-bone weighed 16 ounces. So
Well,
what?
we're taking out the bone.
Oh, okay. Could we sell the bone?
Yes.
Oh, we could.
Yep.
You know what we call that?
Waste.
Well, we call it a byproduct, which really, I would have classified sawdust as a byproduct. It's not really gonna make us a lot of money, but we could get some profit.
A lot of it gets ground into dog food.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so we've got the 6-ounce fillet, we've got an 8-ounce strip. The cost of processing the T-bones into those cuts is 25 cents per pound. So right there in the middle of those two, I just want you to put 25.25.
Between these two?
Right there. So really what happens is I could sell the T-bone right now for $2.25, because it's a 16-ounce cut of meat, okay? Or I could spend 25 cents to cut that 1 pound piece of meat into these 2 pieces, okay? The fillet can be sold for $4 per pound. Don't write that down yet. Unless over to the side you write it's $4 per pound. Because what I need to know is how much is that piece of meat gonna cost me? How would I do that?
Say again,
The
sorry.
fillet is selling, it will sell for $4 per pound. So how can I figure out how much that piece of meat costs, I'm gonna sell it for? I'm gonna sell the fillet for how much?
The 25 cents times how many ounces?
No,
or
25 cents is a cost. I
Okay.
wanna know what am I gonna sell it for. I can sell the fillet.
Oh, this particular one?
Yeah,
Oh,
every
just
fillet is only
divide-
$6
$4
ounces.
divided
Divide
by-
16 ounces by 6.
Divide 6 by 16
Or
to get your
6 by
ratio.
16, okay.
And then multiply it by the $4. Okay, so y'all do that for Justin, because he can't do that in his head. So 6 divided by 16, that gives me the ratio of the fillet to the whole pound, okay? Times the $4 per pound. Okay, so I'm gonna sell that piece of meat for $1.50. Is that what somebody else came up with? I think you can come up with that too. Okay, $1.50. I'm gonna sell it for $1.50. Okay? So now we're gonna look down at the New York cut. It says the New York cut can be sold for $2.80 per pound, but how much does it weigh? 8 ounces. So the same thing, 8 divided by 16 would give you your ratio, and then multiplied by the $2.80,
How much would they could sell it for per pound, was it?
280.
280.
So what am I gonna sell that New York strip for? Anybody do the math?
Is that 5?
$1.40? Is that what you got going? Okay. $1.40. $1.40, I'm gonna sell for $1.40. Okay. So, this is what we got going on. If I stop right now with the T-bones, I get $2.25. If I process further, I sell 2 pieces of meat for a total revenue of what? $2.90. Okay, so you see how she got the $2.90? Put that over there somewhere. $2.90. You just keep putting that back on.
It starts to stick there for a while. There we go.
Okay.
So combine them for a
Yeah,
total of 290?
so my increment, my total revenue right there, if I sell those, would be $2.90. So what is my incremental revenue?
65 cents.
Y'all agree?
Yes.
Okay, 65 cents. So I've got, you can put IR, incremental revenue is equal to 65 cents.
This was total revenue. 65 cents.
What's my incremental cost? 25 cents.
Put it down below.
Just because of what it told us up there, 25 cents per pound, okay.
Because it would cost me 25 cents to cut that piece of meat into 2 pieces. Okay, so my incremental profit would be
40 cents.
40 cents per T-bone if I cut it into 2 pieces. So should I sell just the T-bone, or should I cut it into 2 pieces of meat?
Cut it.
Cut it.
Cut it, process it further. Okay, very good. Thank you.